Yo guys, here's a recap of the trade I took today. I mean, of why I didn't take a trade today. My bad. So yeah, London high, London low. You can see both of them are marked out properly. Move up, move down, the wick to the body. Move down, move up, the wick. But then it goes all the way down here because this is a move down and then move up too. But like, see, this high doesn't go all the way down because there's no other move down, move up that has longer wicks. So the longest move down, move up wick to the the farthest move down, move up body. Yeah. So today, I didn't take a trade. I didn't have time. I wasn't able to see this good setup around 8:05, which I should have. It's dumb I didn't. But here's what happened. Here's the trade that I missed. I will try to always keep looking for trades. But look, we have this little 5-minute fair value gap. We invalidate it. 5-minute equilibrium. We come into it. Then we tap into it, and we get a break of structure right here. Move down, move up. We close above it. Put the stop below equilibrium and target 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. 1 to 2.5 got hit. So that's the trade I missed out on, sadly. Peace.